Hey guys, good morning from Bali. I am now at the international airport of Ngurah Rai, Bali, and heading to Singapore for the weekend. I'm flying with Scoot today, so this is my first time flying with Scoot. So let's see. I hope it's okay. It's a low-cost carrier, but I hope it is good. So now I'm having my coffee and breakfast in the airport in a cafe called Last Wave. Quite nice, exactly inside the international boarding area. Is huge, and they have their own Wi-Fi, so it's not using the airport Wi-Fi, which is good. And they have all the power outlets, which is very important for people like us. And I was wishing and hoping nobody see me talking to the camera, otherwise I would be very shy. Oh, I love DJI OSMO. I can make video at any time and I can talk directly. And it's a little bit, nobody can notice because it's very small. And I can just flip it like this. See? I love it. This is one of my best purchases. Okay, I'm going to the plane, guys. 12 Fanta.
12?
Fanta.
I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you?
All exits out and boarded.
Together we were time, but we know we're running out of time, 'cause we made like strangers in the night. Don't tell me it's over now. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me.
As you're making our approach into Singapore, please put your seat back upright, fasten your seatbelt.
Hey guys, landed at Singapore. It was a great flight actually. Smooth takeoff, smooth landing. The weather is good, so the flight is very nice. It's 2 hours flight. I downloaded some movies in Netflix so I can see some movies. Not disappointing experience with Scoot. I will use that again to fly to Singapore. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. I go toilet. Bye bye.